Another issue in ITC, blocking of ledger rule 86A. Sir, notice पे notice आए जा रहे हैं, ledger block हो रहे हैं. What to do, right? Let's read the rule now. Notification number 75, 2019, central text dated 26 December 2019, right? It says that condition of use of amount available in electronic credit ledger. The commissioner have reasons to believe this is the old, the credit of input tax has been availed on the strength of tax invoices prescribed under Rule 36, issued by a registered person who has been found non-existent. Non-existent, वो बंदा है ही नहीं वहां पे, exist ही नहीं करता. This rule came why? For fake invoices, right? There was no party which used to exist. Or not to be conducting any business from any place. Invoice है, registered person ही exist नहीं करता. He does not conduct any business from that place which is mentioned in the invoice, or without the receipt of goods or services of both. B clause, the credit of input tax has been availed on the strength of tax invoices prescribed under Rule 36 in respect of any supply, the tax charge in respect of which has not been paid to the government. या तो tax pay नहीं किया, तो भी आपका credit ledger block हो सकता है, तो भी then also your credit ledger can be blocked, right? Or ITC, the registered person availing the credit of input tax has been found non-existent or not to be conducting any business from any place for which registration has been obtained, right? So these are the clauses. May, for reasons to be recorded in writing, not allow debit of an amount equivalent to such credit in electronic credit ledger for discharge of any liability under section 49 or for claim for any refund of any utilized amount. Ledger block कर दिया जाएगा. The commissioner or the officer authorized by him under subrule 1 may, upon being satisfied that conditions for disallowing debit of electronic credit ledger as above no longer is, अगर वो satisfy होते हैं तो फिर वो blockage हटा सकते हैं. Such restriction shall cease to have effect after the expiry of period of 1 year from the date of imposing such restriction. 1 year में restriction हट जाएगा, expire हो जाएगा, cease to effect हो जाएगा, right? Now, what are the issues in this rule? I have 4 issues in this rule. 86A, blockage, right? Karnataka High Court, Gujarat High Court, already cases you have seen. Rule 86A. First, Article 300A of Constitution of India. I already said, no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. I repeat, no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. और यहाँ तो हमारा लेजर ही ब्लॉक हो रहा है सर. रूल 86A, रूल 86B, बी में कहते हैं कि 1% आपको कैश देना पड़ेगा. 86A में कहते हैं आपका लेजर ही ब्लॉक कर देंगे, right? So they are depriving my own property, ITC ledger, right? Which is my vested right. Another issue, this is in violation of principle of natural justice. All these, both these rules, 86A, 86B, violation of principle of natural justice. No show cause notice, no opportunity of being heard. No show cause notice, sir. Violation of principle of natural justice. Rules are overriding the provisions of law. If you remember 36 sub rule 4, when it came, same thing happened. The rules overrided the provisions of law, right? Still the section which takes care of the rule 36 sub rule 4 is still not effective. So rules are these days overriding the provisions of law, which is not correct. Rules cannot override the sections of law, provisions of law rather, right? So these are the 4 issues in rule 86A. From my opinion, I suggest, it's my humble suggestion to the government, to all the officers, if anybody is watching the webinar, please sir, please read these rules carefully and see, it is against the violation of principle of natural justice, right? No show cause notice is being given, no opportunity of being heard is given. Registrations are being suspended without any reasons, without even giving an opportunity. So it is very stringent rule. I understand that yes, fake invoices are being issued, fraud ITC is being claimed, but because of this, the bona fide taxpayer, right? The innocent taxpayer is being compressed, is being suppressed. Please, sir, don't make such rules that the bona fide taxpayer is suppressed. Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotax help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotax from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotax. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotax. In just 2 minutes, Optotax fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotax, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotax now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotax. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slide, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotax. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotax.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotax. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotax. This is the software link, https://gst.optotax.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotax. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.